We have to go for the sizing.
Gusto mo na naman ipapalitan? Gusto mo
Yes. This is just like Miss Concrete.
Para...
Yeah.
So why is this the wire that we're spraying?
This is ampule. Yeah. If you just see your shakiness is gone, just let him look. Already a little bit lifted up. This is like your eye is more open.
Documented we're sure.
By on the chart. We just take the picture now. Just look at the camera here. No, no, straight. Okay.
I-message mo nga.
Face, baka di ba mag-ano pabasa yung face.
Even with makeup, right?
If your makeup is right down, I will give you 1,000 pesos. This is the beauty of our